And talking of budget, pools can be expensive to run and maintain. So Jimmy isn't wasting any time. He's diving straight in to find a solution for Lisa.
We've met with Lisa and she's decided to go renovate on her house. One of the big parts of her house is she wants a pool. Now, we told her about the Naked Freshwater System. She was pretty pumped for that. The whole fact that it's cheaper to run. I mean, there's so many benefits to it, it's not funny. She wants to know a little bit more about it, so she wants me to report back to her with some more specifics to get her across the line.
Well, look, the system is easy for the builder to install. So you've got a pump pumping the water, you've got a filter cleaning out the water, and then you've got a freshwater system on there. So it takes place of a salt or a mineral chlorinator. It uses copper and silver as the main component to keep that water clean and fresh. But the system is then easier maintenance for the client. It's less trips back and forth from the pool shop. So they might have a little bit more investment up front, but that investment is paid back very quickly with less chemicals, less trips to the pool shop, etc. The system is nicer on the environment. So if you live on a property even and you don't have access for sewer or stormwater, this water can actually be used to water your gardens.
That's a valid point, because more and more we are planting out our pools to make a tropical oasis, and we're planting the plants right next to our pool. So previously to naked pools, you've got to worry about what's the chlorine doing to my plants, is it going to affect them, is it going to kill them?
You're not having to worry about it at all. If the kids are doing a bomb dive, or yourself even.
I do love a bomb dive.
The plants are just going to get fed from it.
Well, Ricky, I think I've got all the information I need to take back to Lisa to inform her about the Naked Freshwater System best we can and get her across the line.